Hi guys, my name is Julia and welcome back to my Truffle kitchen. Today we're going to cook one of my favorite party foods, coconut parmesan shrimp. Mine is going to be gluten-free, and to remove any extra calories, we won't deep fry, we will bake. Check out the description for the amounts of all the necessary ingredients. We'll start with my least favorite job, peeling the shrimp. I have 1 pound of Argentinian shrimp, and let's get it done. For this recipe, leave the tails on. This makes nice earrings. I like Argentinian shrimp because it's very easy to peel. Okay, so now we're ready for the next step. Beat 2 eggs. Now combine them well. Okay, that's ready. Set it aside. In the next bowl, combine together flour, pepper, salt, smoked paprika, and because I'm using sugar-free coconut flakes, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of coconut sugar. Okay, so this is a tablespoon, I'm going to add half of it. Mix everything well and set it aside. Okay, in the last third bowl, we're going to combine the panko. Mine are just plain, that's why I added pepper and salt. And Parmesan cheese. Coconut shreds. And to give it more texture, large shredded coconut. Okay, combine everything. And we're ready to dip. The shrimp is all ready to be coated, but before we proceed, let's preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Okay, so we have our baking sheet and parchment paper. So for the coating, we need shrimp, then we need flour, change places, then we need the egg wash, change places, and then we need the coating. Take coconut oil spray. I think the oven is letting us know that it's ready. Generous amount of coconut oil. And the first shrimp is going on. I went to the supermarket today and I purposely picked up a box of this shrimp, and I looked at the ingredients, and to tell you the truth, the list is huge. It's so long and most of the ingredients are just something that I wouldn't eat and I wouldn't recommend anyone eating. And the last step before we send our shrimp to the oven is to coat them well with coconut oil. And we wait. While we wait, we can squat. Our shrimp has been in the oven for 10 minutes. Let's see if it's ready to be flipped. That was so hot. And another 5 to 7 minutes on this side. So the time has come. Let's see our shrimp. Some sweet chili sauce will be just perfect for this dish. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and let's cook together next time.